Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be introducing where I'm taking the channel, what I've been doing, and it is starting an AI automation service from scratch. I don't have any clients yet. I've just started this thing within the last couple weeks. I've registered the LLC. The business is called Iron Automations. Super simple, just put that in AI. We got something else out. We got that out. But yeah, I'm really going to be focusing on building systems that save business owners time. The main pitching point is reduce the workload, possibly reduce the amount of people they have to hire, which can be very valuable for some of these service-based businesses that don't really have the time, don't really have the budget. So I'm hoping I can add the value to these service-based businesses and charge a decent amount. My main goal with this is to build this up, quit my 9 to 5, and scale this to get some high active income. Anyways, so yeah, I've got a little bit of a rough draft mapped out. Still tweaking the offer. I am building custom workflows right now just to test what these systems on N8N, Make, etc. can really do. I'm mainly working on like follow-up systems from form generations, really just keeping leads warm, which will help these businesses increase the conversion rates on their ad spend. So yeah, still playing with the offer, still playing on what value I can really provide. The outreach method that I'm going to be going with is cold email mainly, and I am building a system for myself for a personalized cold email outreach system to boost the conversions on my own systems, which is also helping me learn these no-code platforms. I'm still working on the niche. I am kind of leaning towards doing multiple niches because some of these systems can apply and plug into many different businesses. I'm just going to be sending out cold emails, experimenting with some demos on Loom. And yeah, I don't know how consistent I'm going to be with the posting because I'm really working a lot on building out this business. I really just want to document this for the future. I can look back, see the progress, and once I do make some leeway within this business, the plan is to show you guys that I've been documenting this from the beginning. So I'm really zooming out on the content strategy as far as this video. I don't want to get too deep into the meta commentary, but yeah, I've just really been thinking a lot about the agency model or freelance model, and it's super lean. You don't really need that much money to start, and if you can help another business make money, you can take a slice of that pie. That's going to be my goal going forward. Just learning, go high level, getting my tech stack together, getting all of my emails set up, warmed up. A lot to be done. But yeah, just going to be documenting all the progress that I've made. I do have a landing page up. Nothing special. It's really doo-doo, honestly. But the main thing, I just want to show the real grind from zero. Maybe in the future, I'll be showing some of the AI automations as I build them and get better with this. And yeah, I'm basically just documenting this so I can have this here. You guys can see what's happening in real time. And yeah, as much as I learn, I will try to give back as much as possible. But I'm just going to try to build on this real skill in front of your eyes. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey. And yeah, you have a good one.